Even as Pakistan continues to back terror in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the NDA's vice presidential pick, Venkaiah Naidu, has warned Pakistan against it, reminding them of the 1971 war. Venkaiah Naidu cautioning Pakistan against aiding and abetting terror in India, saying terrorism is the enemy of humanity, which has no religion, but unfortunately it has become Pakistan's state policy, hinting at the volatile situation in the valley. He even said that dissent can be agreeable, disintegration can never be acceptable. Pooja Shali joins us for more details and updates on this. It's not the first time, Pooja, that Venkaiah Naidu has come out so strongly, when it comes to Pakistan or the situation that exists in the valley. He's even described Pakistan as a rogue state earlier on.
Well, that's right. Venkaiah Naidu, now a former cabinet minister,
Yes,
making a very strong reaction against Pakistan, basically saying that dissent is still agreeable, disintegration is not, and saying that the neighbors are abetting, aiding terrorism. Now, Venkaiah Naidu has maintained this very specific statement for a while now. In fact, the government has also started to strongly speak against Pakistan, also wanting to expose all the terror activities that are being funded by the country. And that is why it is imperative now that with further these statements coming in, the government is not willing to back down against statements for Pakistan. They are saying that it is time that the terror activities that are being funded have to be completely exposed. The question again remains, and that is what the opposition also asks, will this remain only till statements? Will there be perhaps a stronger foreign policy, whether there will be stronger statements coming with regard to actions?
Absolutely.
Or will it be only restrained to these statements?
All right, Pooja, thanks so much. We'll in fact just listen into, what Venkaiah Naidu had to say.
Our neighbor is aiding, abetting, funding, training terrorism. And they should really understand that is not going to help them. They had an experience in 1971. They should remember that experience. Terrorism is the enemy of humanity. It has no religion, one should understand. The Pakistan is trying to mix up religion with terror, and they want to spoil the minds of some of the people here. But we should be aware that terrorism is the biggest threat to the humanity of the world. Freedom of expression, freedom of speech is okay, is required. At the same time, unity and integrity of the country also is equally important. Dissent is agreeable, but disintegration is not at all acceptable.